Hello everybody. Today we will continue our lessons for SQL training for beginners. Let's start. Lesson 23. The right join keyword. The right join keyword returns all records from the right table, table 2, and the matched records from the left table, table 1. The result is null from the left side when there is no match. Right join syntax. Select column names from table 1, right join table 2 on table 1 dot column name equal table 2 dot column name. It is the same for the left join. There are no difference between, only this is in the left side and this is in the right side, like this. Table 1, table 2, right join. Here this is the right join and the matches between table 1 and table 2. Okay, blue is a selection from the orders table which contains order ID, customer ID, employee ID, order date, shipper ID, and a selection from the employees table which contains employee ID, last name, first name, birth date, photo. Okay, SQL right join example. Select orders dot order ID, employees dot last name, employees dot first name from orders. Right join as before. Employees on orders dot employee ID equal employees dot employee ID order by orders dot order ID. Easy. And this is the result. Number of records 197. So this is easy as the left join. There are no difference, only this in the left join in the left side and the area with matches between table 1 and table 2. And here for this lesson right join, which means that it will be contains in the right table and the matches between table 1 and table 2. This is easy, and don't forget to exercise too much, and don't forget to click the bell and subscribe to get our new lessons. Thank you and bye.